Okay.
Which brings us to the topic,
At hand.
beautiful, candid dating. Rahul, जरा
गौर
मिर्च लगाइए.
गौर फरमाइए.
गौर आए हाय
See,
हाय हाय, गौर
this is one
फरमाइए.
topic. This is one topic we've been trying to get into since week one, but we have unsuccessfully done so until now, just because we're very scared about what the other gender and people in gender will think about our perspective. This is a very controversial topic now. Whether it is how we talk about what relationships are or what dating is, and how everybody has different definitions. And then you also think about everybody's perspective saying, ki, ha, you are wrong. This is not what it was for me, so you are wrong. But bhai, this is three friends and a tiffin. We are three friends talking about something, and this is our opinion. We are entitled to our opinion, whether you take it or not. We would like you to take our opinion if you like it. If you don't
Yeah,
like
boy.
it, you can let us know at 3party@gmail.com.
Hey, clap, clap. This was nice, Rahul. This was beautiful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
राहुल
Beautiful.
सीख गया है.
Intros forever, so conclusion नहीं होगा.
हाँ, ठीक है.
I like
Um,
Alright.
yeah.
I, li- I like it how मतलब when Rahul is थोड़ा confused about the topic and how to approach it, he all hand movements start then.
भावुकता comes out.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you noticing that as well, because I was also I was trying to be very appropriate and very politically correct while referring to this topic.
तू बोल ना
But
तू
in
बोल.
general, I would like to know from the two of you, Ishmeet and Georgie, what do you think of dating in general? Is it like, is dating the same as a relationship? How does how did your relationships or how did your dating begin in your 7-8 years of this experience with the opposite?
बोल बोल इश्मीत बोल.
अरे देखो, मेरा तो लिमिटेड एक्सपीरियंस ही रहा है. बट जितना हम किया, आई मेरा, are we talking about what we think of the term dating, or are we talking what?
We're talking
What
about
is
what.
what is your definition?
Yeah.
Okay, so the definition of dating is when two people who maybe have spoken
Only
and
two.
have an inclination. Huh, Georgie, only
Okay.
two. Two people who have a slight, or started having an inclination rather, towards each other, and they want to be in each other's physical presence and see, अच्छा, text पे तो ये बंदा slash बंदी अच्छा लगा, बंदा बंदी नहीं बोलना था. Okay, guys, why that happened? Just before the episode, I asked my sister, should we use the term bandi? And she's like, no. So apologies. Anyway,
ठीक है
to
तो
the guy and the girl.
बंदा भी बोला तो ठीक है.
इसीलिए बच गया. So the guy and the girl, or the guy and the guy, or the girl and the girl, whatever, they have an inclination towards each other, and they want to see कि अच्छा text पे जैसे बात हुआ, call पे जैसे बात हुआ, whether वो vibe match कर रहा है कि नहीं. And dating को लेके, it's dating according to me is a pre oh my god relationship concept. And when people very casually throw on the term, we are dating each other. According to me, dating is when you're possibly going and seeing the person for the first time, the person you'll be interacting with, and then if things click, then you start going out very frequently, and then you are in a relationship as such, so to speak. This is how I think of it. As
So dating is more casual and it's like I'm trying and testing is
हाँ,
what you're saying.
मतलब या मतलब A&B टेस्टिंग एड्स में होता है ना, जैसे you seeing whether this ad is perfect for you or not, or works for you or not, and then if it does, you double down on it.
So if I'm saying I'm dating this person, what do I exactly mean?
अभी so I'm going out on dates with her, and the number I keep in mind is three.
वाह.
Two, three. हम
नंबर भी है
सोचा था
तेरा.
ये act.
What,
अभी
2 dates
recent.
is a relationship? Is that what you're saying?
No, 2-3 dates के बाद पता चल ही जाता है कि आगे बात बढ़ने वाली है कि नहीं.
ऐसा.
तो उसके बाद मेरे को ऐसे लगता है,
ओके ठीक है.
क्योंकि
You're talking like those English movies that say sex on the fifth date, not before.
Yeah.
पता
You
नहीं भाई,
can go
मतलब
out
I
like
just
10-20 times, no, and you can still be
हो
like,
सकता है, हो सकता
yeah,
है, हाँ.
we're just
Then it
hanging
could
out.
be, but हाँ, बट मेरे को इतने लोग, जितने लोगों से आई हैव स्पोकन टू वट एवर, 2-3 टाइम में पता चल जाता है बात आगे बढ़ने वाली है कि नहीं. सो दैट्स द number essentially I keep in mind. What about you, George? Rahul, you have to say
राहुल कुछ
something, बोल.
बोल रहा था.
No, I want to ask Georgie only what he thinks about your perspective and what is his perspective.
ऐसा कुछ मेरा नंबर नहीं है and in general like I agree with the way he looks at it. I think it's a testing thing and then eventually you get into a relationship. So it can be see basically for me I look at relationships where you're looking to, see we all need a companion to guide us through our lives, and also we have various needs to meet from a companion. Now these could be various forms of needs. Now that's why you need someone who you gel with and you vibe with, or like how Ishmeet put it, and through the dating phase you understand if that particular individual meets those needs. Now some people have it like in a short term, they don't look at per se long term way mein. They look at it from a very short term perspective, and therefore that particular individual that they're meeting only fulfills their needs for a particular period of time. But I don't have that understanding. If I'm meeting someone, I look at it from a long term standpoint. Is this, like, I have those romantic notions of love and the one and all that. If I'm influenced by Bollywood, I will watch Shah Rukh Khan movies, तो है थोड़ा सा मेरा. तो
Surprising, very surprising, no, Ishmael.
I was going to say something. Rahul, wait, let him finish. I got a bomb.
रुक जा, रुक
We got a bomb actually. Yeah.
So based on that, that's how I look at it. If I'm dating someone, then I'll be like, he is me. Matlab, if there's some ridiculous thing, like if that person eats with their mouth open, so there are these stupid things that really irk me, and I'm like, nahi bhai, nahi behan, matlab,
Pet peeves.
pet
हाँ,
peeves.
yeah.
So like that, or if they're whatever, थोड़ा ज़्यादा loud and overpowered, मुझे बोलने ही नहीं देती है. तो वैसा also, मतलब I don't engage with such people. So वैसे, so in your dating process, you eliminate and you finally find the one for me. That's how I look at it.
Okay.
Yes, I picked up my hand because our beautiful brother Joyjeev here, who has a very romantic illusion and the one thing, very interestingly, ये उल्टा काम किया हमेशा. ये मतलब ये मे बी गया होगा वो वन पर्सपेक्टिव से सोच के, बट दूसरा काम ही करके आया है और फिर जांच पड़ताल इधर उधर ठोकर ठोकर खा के सेटल मारता है.
To his credit, what he said at the end is like, it's trial testing. You figure out,
Yeah.
you are eliminating.
Yeah.
So Georgie has maximum experience,
Yeah.
and he has eliminated. He just keeps eliminating every few weeks.
Thing is ना, my brother here tests या few weeks he tests just to, ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार में झलक आ गया कि नहीं फालतू है छोड़ दो. ये बंदा घुस जाएगा, पूरा जांच पड़ताल करेगा अच्छा से, फिर बाहर आएगा.
Human beings are complex beings.
Yes, Joe, very complex, very complicated. You are the key to solving all problems.
Hard to say.
Huh.
ये
No, but
seriously जा
interesting.
रहा है podcast में, ठीक है भाई.
Good. Rahul, you say? अच्छा लगेगा. I think
I was very intrigued by the fact that Georgie was a romantic. Like, I knew to an extent because, okay, high school was different, and then he got into college, he got serious for the first time, then he's now got serious for the second time. But, like, he's gone from, like, being an absolute playboy to being, ab meko settle karna hai.
Wow, okay.
Which is
heavy words being dropped, labels being put.
Attempt to be a playboy. Yes, bol.
Exactly.
You in class 11 or 10 would be like, whoa. No, one second. Would be us, okay. In general, the population in class 10 and 11 would be very happy to be called a playboy. But now that, at 23, you are not like that.
Good.
You're like, no, I don't want people to think that way about me.
एक सेकंड के लिए तो जॉर्जीव का फट गया. ये साला क्या बोल देगा अभी.
मतलब उतार के लेना, मतलब वो भी पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म में ऐसे लोग सुनेंगे, क्या सोचेंगे. ठीक है, जो भी.
बोल राहुल. You said.
Rahul was saying his definition. What is your definition, Rahul?
American definition.
Oh yeah. Well, living in America also, initially dating for me was like a relationship only. You go into dating thinking it is a relationship, like, and I feel, but I didn't understand what, like, the difference between dating and a relationship until I came here. Here, so you go out for anything, it's dating. It's like you go out for a meal with a person, like you ask a person out for any meal or casual meal or a movie, it's dating. Okay. But that was not my definition. Like, if I went out to ask somebody why I wanted to go for a movie, it was more because I wanted to go for the movie. and I didn't have anybody to go with, and it was more like a friend thing. Okay, let's just go out as friends.
Hat.
But now
Why let's
that's
say wait. Let's say you had ये थोड़ा close to his heart होगा ऐसा. But let's say you have this one individual that you're attracted to, who's, let's say, in your close quarters, but for certain reasons you're shy to ask her out or whatever.
Hmm.
So what is your immediate way of spending time with her? What would you go and say to her?
See, like, for me, spending
Assuming
time,
when you started this entire process, like you're younger.
huh, spending time came a little later. First, because I was so anyway scared. All boys school, how to approach a girl.
Huh,
First thing was please text the person. Start texting, get to know them
huh.
more than, because if there was like physical connection or not physical, yeah, I guess. I mean, you want to be in their personal space, physical space, like Ishmeet said. Then it was a little difficult for me at that point of time when I was much younger. So texting and all that was big, and that's how I got to know a person more.
तेरे पास फोन था?
And
राहुल के पास
class
तो था.
class 9 में
बे,
था.
वही तो I
डबलिन
missed out.
डबलिन के
मेरे
वजह से.
पास नहीं था बे. कितना what all nonsense
Dublin.
I had to do to actually engage with another person.
Hmm.
We'll not get into that.
Yeah.
So that was my thing that time. Even
Hey,
now, like
Facebook text was there.
oh, awesome, dude! I look at my conversations from 10 years back, and it's the most embarrassing thing of my life.
I swear, oh my god, we can actually do an episode regarding that. I can share the text and all of us will be collectively cringing on screen.
Hi, HW, how, R, letter, R, U. Oh my god, nobody taught me how to text apparently.
ठीक है तू बोल रहा था.
So, so like I said, all this social media and stuff was how I used to do it, whether it's Facebook or WhatsApp. You used to talk to people with using that more than like being in their physical space. But now it's different. Now at 22, I'm like, I would rather spend time with you one-on-one time, get to know your emotions and things like that.
But didn't you ever go like this was my genius technique, okay? Ishmeet has रहा है. This was my technique.
Right.
See, I didn't have a phone, okay, and if there was someone in my close quarters was this thing too, I had to see. I knew that going out on a date or going out on a coffee is the romantic things. If you ask someone out, say let's go for a movie or let's go for a coffee, then you're actually indicating to the other person that you're interested romantically.
Hmm.
Okay,
Huh.
so since I didn't have the balls to directly say that let's go out for a movie or let's go out for coffee, because the backlash, let's say that person is not into it, what will she think of me, Vaisa. So I used to be like, I didn't do this, I thought of going like, I heard the popcorn over there is damn good, I think we should go there and try the popcorn together. So maybe let's watch a movie only.
घुमा के.
Ghuma ke.
समझा? I think
हम समझ के I got what he said, but his example was atrocious.
of course, but ठीक है, I think the point came. Tell me something. Well, I don't think I did this, but the
I
fucker
didn't do
actually
it, but
did
it was a thought. It was an actual thought which happened.
I'll tell you guys something. Oh, another perspective here now. When it comes to this dating thing, so class 10, when I was in the first relationship, so उस समय this, I believe in the same concept as with Rahul. Dating मतलब relationship, love. उस समय मेरे को like का मतलब नहीं पता था. मतलब love ही होता है, ठीक है ना? So right, I'll give you guys this example. How I told the girl I loved her outside tuition. I went on one knee with a rose in my hand, a chocolate in my hand, and a song जिसका lyrics मेरे को अभी भी याद है, written, and I gave it to her, and I told her, "Will you be my girlfriend?" On a knee in a gully where 20, 30 people were walking, all staring at me. Right now, I don't have the balls to even think of that, to do something like that. So don't you, मतलब थोड़ा उल्टा नहीं हो रहा, मतलब होता है ना कि with time maybe confidence आना चाहिए करने का. अब तो मेरे को डर लगता है कि भाई क्या, मतलब I don't mind doing, but what the fuck will people think? What was I even thinking at 16 years of age?
तुम जवान था.
Daring.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the same way, like you thought about things like that, like you said, the entire concept of love. बाप रे बाप, 14, 15, 16 age, you're like I love you. किसी को पता नहीं लव का मतलब क्या
Casually
होता
throwing
है.
the term around, casually throwing the term around.
हम्म।
It's now that you think of it, it's,
फिर आया this great revelation of the word like.
yeah, genuinely.
हाँ, जिस पे इतना
Like
रूम है कि
okay,
तुम पूरा
but you
टेस्ट
need to
मैच खेल सकते
understand.
हो.
You need to,
Exactly.
but you need to understand, no, like when you're talking to the other person and you say I like you. What do you mean? What does I like you mean? There's so much going on in I like you. It is such a
Yeah.
big space
Hmm.
that you don't know where you stand. If somebody tells you, "Oh, bro, I like not bro, but like I really like you," what is that? In what sense? As a friend, as a best friend, like you want to date me, we're in a relationship, all
थोड़ा
that
थोड़ा
nonsense. You know, how
implicit,
interested are you?
थोड़ा implied भी होता है ना, like conversation tone, body language.
Topic also, bro.
हाँ.
If I vibe with you over football, if I'm vibing with a girl over football, I'm like, dude, I love the fact, I really like the fact, I really like you because you really, understand the football space, and I love having this discussion with you. Anybody, for that matter.
So that's a general I like you.
Yeah.
But let's say if Ishmeet is handing a rose and there's a chocolate and he's on one knee also, and then he says I like you, it definitely means I like you more than just a friend.
Yeah.
Bhavna.
Exactly. बाप रे, पहुंची अच्छे से पहुंची मेरे को. Good.
Now, at
wait,
this age, now okay, go ahead.
the question I think which we are leading towards is that we know what dating is, okay, and we somewhat know what relationship is, but how does one enter from a dating phase to a relationship phase?
बाप रे बाप.
Deep, very deep.
Okay. Here, before we answer that question, say this is both all three of us are thinking. Rahul ऊपर देख रहे, Georgie left देख रहे,
नहीं,
हम आँख
हमको
खुजला
थोड़ा
रहे.
बहुत आइडिया है.
अच्छा, then help me out with this, okay? Because this is a very good question. Is the thing propose, like we used to think कि भाई तू उसको propose कर दिया क्या, भाई तू उसको propose कर दिया था, propose क्या, शादी थोड़ी ना पूछ रहा है. Anyway, so this was before propose what was there. So right now the obvious thing will be dating to relationship will be कि हाँ I genuinely like you, let's take this forward. तो अब मैं पर्सनली मतलब जो भी मैं जैसे सोचता हूँ, अंडरस्टैंडिंग बैठ जाता है म्यूचुअली कि हाँ, लाइक आई सेड आफ्टर द थर्ड फोर्थ डे पता चल गया मेरे को, चलो ठीक है. थर्ड फिफ्थ में मेरे केस में ज्यादा हो गया, बट मे बी आई गॉट टू नो कि ऑल राइट, आई लाइक दिस पर्सन, लेट मी स्पेंड मोर टाइम विद देम. देन ग्रेजुअली से कि हे डूड, आई लाइक दिस, आई लाइक वेयर दिस इज गोइंग, गाड़ी चलाते आगे. Not in these exact words, of course, but that is how I think of it, and I convey it, paraphrase, but this is how I convey it.
Now wait, if you just say take it forward, what does it mean? It can mean many things, no? It can mean like let's
That's
spend more
me.
time, let's
Yeah.
spend. But like with a relationship, there are other things that come in together. No? There's exclusivity. There's like exclusivity being the sense that you're only dating, you're only spending time in that way with that person.
That I think needs to be conveyed also. Ki, dude, I really like you, and I really want to go out with you. And then what genuinely, but it's not. It can't. I personally but I don't know whether it's very glaring now or not. It should not be very out on the face. But then this also leads a gray area जहाँ पर कुछ गोंडोगोल हो सकता है. But I think it's like कि, hey, listen, I'm really liking how things are going, and I really like dating, and I want to keep meeting you again and again. I love spending time with you. एंड ऐसे बात करते करते एस्टैब्लिशमेंट बैठ जाता है. राहुल बहुत आंख ऊपर नीचे कर रहा है, क्या हुआ भी तेरे को?
ये सोच है, तुम बोल रहे हो, you're not wrong or anything, but going back a little bit to the topic of that, that love, it's just like that word saying I love you now is like it has to be serious before, very serious before.
It needs to be sure. It needs to be
Because
sure.
see, you say I love you, it is a form of commitment in its own way.
Yeah.
And you are putting yourself out there, and if something does not work out, you are going to be hurt. At 22, 23, and with our past experiences, nobody wants to be hurt. Everybody has a wall in front of them which stops them from saying I love you or I like you or whatever that is, or even opening up. So that is what I love you really means. Like to me, is like you're really committing to that person.
ठीक है, आई लव यू को हटा दे, तो आई लव यू बहुत आ गया, चलो ठीक है.
Okay.
पहले डेटिंग हुआ, ट्रायल एंड एरर फेज हुआ, फिर
हाँ.
रिलेशनशिप हुआ, ये आदमी
Relationship is like courtship. It's like you know you vibe with this person.
हम्म,
You're like, I genuinely like this person. I'm like, I can possibly things can go somewhere.
हम्म,
I mean, it's still a little bit of trial and error
हम्म,
because you're still not completely committing.
हम्म,
But then you bring that thing, na, ki you have to have that understanding ki where you are in that relationship phase. Are you completely exclusive?
हाँ,
That question, where are
Because
we?
exactly, and there are so many people
डर
who are
लगता
just like, ah, wo to hai. And there are so many people who are just like, yeah, I don't like, I'm into an open relationship. इसका मतलब क्या होता है मेरे को समझ में नहीं
who the
आता. Open
fuck is an
relationship,
open relationship? I don't know people around me who are in an open relationship.
not nobody's in it, but people want it. I've heard people say it. Say, I want an open relationship. What does that mean? मतलब तुम यहाँ पे कमिट नहीं कर रहे है, मतलब तुम डेट तो कर ही नहीं रहे, तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे, you are just screwing around with more than one person,
Hmm.
or you're screwing around with one person's feelings.
Instead of but थोड़ा like you know what do you call this?
Where are we
Yeah.
phase?
Huh? Like what the
Where are we?
fuck? How can like why can't you always get to the point wala phase? Is that if you're actually अंडरस्टैंडिंग बैठ जाते क्या होता है भाई, तुम डायरेक्टली पूछ लो ना उसको, बंदी को, कि ब्रो डू यू वांट टू बी इन अ रिलेशनशिप विथ मी, व्हिच बेसिकली जस्ट मींस दैट डू यू वांट टू be more exclusive with me. Like if you're dating, I can date Rahul and I can date Ishmael.
Right.
While if I'm in a relationship with one person, I'm actually just romantically inclined with him. So I think
Or her.
that's or her, yeah. I think that's why the term girlfriend and boyfriend has come into the scene.
Comes into
Where if
has come into the scene क्या नया है क्या भाई बहुत times what comes into the scene.
so if you're like, this is my understanding, if you're in a relationship with someone, you could ask someone, do you want to be my boyfriend or do you want to be my girlfriend? That's when you are actually in a relationship with that person and you're exclusive.
Wait. Question mark. You said, so you're saying na ki when you're dating and you
पूछ लो.
ask that person, you're asking that, yeah, so you're just asking that person, you want to be my girlfriend or boyfriend, that makes you exclusive. Plus, you're in a relationship.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, agreed.
बट ऐसा नहीं है देखो, बट एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है हियर, लीड ऑन नहीं करना चाहिए. तो वो
Exactly.
लाइक क्वेश्चन आई गॉट नाउ आई नो व्हाई यू थिंक यू लीड ऑन नहीं होना चाहिए, व्हिच इज व्हाई जब वो कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रहा है चलो वाला, वहां पर बात एस्टैब्लिश हो जाए कि देख आई एम नॉट फकिंग आउट विद एनीबॉडी एल्स, आई जेन्युइनली लाइक यू एंड आई लाइक वेयर थिंग्स आर गोइंग, लेट्स मीट टुमारो once again and I really want to commit to you. No,
you will also need to understand when, if she says like you, he or she, whoever you're into, if she says I like you, what does exactly
I like
she
you,
mean?
Joe.
What does she
हाँ,
exactly
तो-
mean? So what is she really like thinking of it as an exclusive thing? Is she just ऐसे हम time pass कर रहा वैसा kind of thing है?
अरे तो वो तो कॉन्वर्जेशन हो ही जाता है ना, लाइक अगेन पर्सन वो कॉन्वर्जेशन हुआ जहाँ लोग बोल सकते हैं कि देखो मैं टाइम पास नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं सीरियस हूँ, वो कॉन्वर्सेशन तो हो रहा है. राहुल सही बोला, तू और मैं सेम बात बोल रहे हैं, मे बी मैं वो एड्रेस नहीं किया पॉइंट, बट वो कॉन्वर्सेशन भी होता है.
So to that point, what I understand, what we've come out within this conversation is, when you're dating and you're getting into a relationship, or you're in a relationship and you start loving someone, please be communicative about it. Please talk about it with your significant other. And be like, yes, this is where we stand. Don't be like, oh, like let things go. Yes, initially you can be like, let things flow. It's okay because you're dating at that point of time. But once it becomes a little serious and you become exclusive,
Yeah.
I think both people need to know where they stand with each other. You've reached that point where you're so significant to each other that the lack of the other person being in your life will have a significant impact on you.
Yeah.
And especially with this significant other, you don't want to be at like, oh, where am I? What is this? Like, are we getting into something? Am I wasting my time and things like that?
And also, this entire topic is a little complicated to understand, and people have different notions.
Evidently.
Yeah. And so having a conversation about it and addressing such issues can save you from a lot of future trauma.
Right. एक बात तो समझ में आया guys. I think over the last 2 months we've been recording these podcasts. Joyjeev, this is directed. I mean, this is for you. Rahul has become very good when it comes to surmising things, huh?
हाँ.
Like I think he connected both our opinions together. Bridge gave it the bridge. Smile mat ka lodu jaise. Gave it the bridge it deserved and explained ki this is what it meant. And on that note, guys, I think what Rahul said super important. Communicate and most importantly, be very honest in your communication. Kuch malintent mat rakho because you are not just. It's not just your life. It's somebody's life directly. You can't just fuck around or play around with it. Don't be an asshole. बी ऑनेस्ट बी कम्युनिकेटिव नहीं जम रहा है बोल दो जम रहा है बोल दो चलना है चलो नहीं चलना है बंद कर दो but just make sure you communicate. On that note, my beautiful boys and the beautiful listeners, hope your new year is going fantastic. Hope at least one of these resolutions have passed. If not, if you haven't kept a resolution, बहुत सही है. Just keep celebrating the little things in life. Listen to our podcast on Spotify, YouTube, कहते हैं Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, XYZ, Loda Listen, wherever. Make sure you listen to it. Subscribe, subscribe, like, share. Love us. Send us an email at 3farty@gmail.com. Love all of you. Mwah. Don't give up, Kissy, please.